In Friuli Venezia Giulia and the rest of Italy, a new norm is forcing many landlords to shift away from short-term leasing to long-term rentals, in hopes of maintaining its touristic appeal, but also maintaining its livability.
Il problema è che in una città come Trieste, che ha un centro molto attrattivo ed è turistica perché esprime un valore locale molto importante di arredo urbano, se noi all'interno della città molti appartamenti privati diventano turistici, tu vai a snaturare l'identità della città e paradossalmente limiti l'afflusso turistico, perché rischi di generare una città Luna Park invece di una meta turistica con le caratteristiche, con quello che oggi il turista cerca, che è proprio le caratteristiche del luogo che va a visitare, e vuole visitare un luogo autentico. Quindi.
Well, I think it's a difficult question to reply. Of course, it's a good thing, especially if you own one, maybe outside the main cities. It's also nice as a tourist to have the opportunity to stay in a cozier place, like maybe you don't want to stay in a hotel for a long time when you're traveling like a week or so. At the same time, it's creating problems. I think the fact that in the cities in the city centers particularly, a lot of Airbnbs, so the city centers are getting depopulated from the locals, and of course this has an impact on the housing market and pushing people outside the city center, making more difficult to afford an apartment. So I think that the issue should be looked with more attention.
I agree, and I also think it's creating the opposite effect that the tourists then want, because in the end you find yourself in places that are completely touristy, while you are searching for an authentic experience. So it's creating the opposite effect.
They're starting to be too many. Once they were less, and now they're a little bit too much.
And why is that bad?
Because it provokes an issue in searching for a flat to rent for like long term, and all the available flats are only for short term.
Well, I don't think it's necessarily like a Trieste's problem, but like worldwide, like there are too many Airbnbs. So like, yeah, I in general like prefer don't use like this type of multinationals rather than anything else. So yeah.